Let me show you the process of getting the AI filter on TikTok. Whether you're using any kind of AI filter, there are tons of AI filters that you can choose from. Let me show you the quick way of getting it. Open up your TikTok app and tap on the plus icon that you see on the bottom. Once you do, your camera will open. Now to add in the filter of the AI, tap on the FX option that you see on the bottom left. Once you do, tap on the search bar and search for AI. Once you do, a whole list of AI filters or AI effects will open up. Now to use it, just tap on the filter and the filter will be applied to your face. Similarly, you can again tap on the search bar and pick any other AI filter. Other than this, you can also do a second thing. Tap on the search bar on the top right and search for AI filters. This way you can also get in different filters, and you can also watch other people adding in the AI filter to their videos. If you like a particular filter that you see, just open up the video and you'll have an option of adding in the filter right here. Tap on the filter option and it's the same thing. Tap on use effect and the filter will be added to your camera. So that was a quick video on how to get the AI filter on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.